Hello and welcome back to another episode of Mr. Chang's YouTube channel. We're going to show you how to make the perfect rice every time using a rice cooker, of course. So all we need is some rice. I'm using jasmine rice here, and we just take the pot out of the rice cooker and I'm sorry, that was completely made up. I'm just having problems keeping retention in the videos. People usually give up after about 40 seconds, so that was just fake. Put in 1 cup of rice per person. 1 cup of rice per person. You're talking about a 15-20 stone person because it's a lot of rice, but anyway. So what we're going to do is we're going to rinse the rice 3 times. This is part of the video. It's going to be very boring. Just use your hands, rinse around like that. And then for maybe 10 seconds, and then drain the rice. Make sure you don't pour all the rice down the sink. You want to keep the rice in the pot. Do that a second time, and then and then, sorry, nothing happened there earlier. But wait until you see this a third time, and then that will be it. You're going to want to use to measure the water. The Chinese always use their finger, first index finger. You want to use your finger and place it in on top of the rice. Don't push your index finger down into the rice. Put your index finger on top of the rice like this. And this is how you measure the amount of water needed. I don't know why, but everyone's fingers are exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you have big fingers or long fingers. From the tip of your finger to this first dent here, I don't know what you call it. It's not a knuckle. If anyone knows what you call that dent in your index finger, that marking, drop it in the comments. So then you just put your rice into the rice cooker, put the lid on, push down the button, and you can't go wrong unless you don't turn on the electric. There's no way that you can go wrong. You can't make it wrong. After 20 minutes, then lift up the lid of the rice cooker, and you're going to see, hold on, trying to blow this steam away so it doesn't steam up the ends. Fluffy rice every single time. There's no point in using the pot to make rice when you can buy these rice cookers for £20. That's it. Bye.